So this is Bryson and Greg with Electro. We're gonna go ahead and start off by getting the current sensor reading to make sure it's communicating correctly. So you can see it's reading back, left, and right. And then I will tell it to start mapping. From here, it is executing right wall following code, where basically it will traverse the entire right wall of the map, while also doing odometry correction via the IR sensor readings, as Greg will describe further.
Yes, so as you'll notice, as it goes along, of course, moving forward here, however, you will see other movements, such as that tiny little correction there. That was an angle correction just based on the ultrasonic sensor readings from the wall. Here it is doing a parallel correction just to get itself back to a good distance from the wall. And now it continues in towards this dead end. And now from here, it is executing code so they can effectively make that 180-degree turn without colliding with any walls. This was running into issues when we were just trying to do a straight 180-degree turn. Here we see another course correction just to get it a little further away from that wall. Another course correction to get it away from that wall, as it continues following that right-hand wall throughout the entire path. It is also doing its angle corrections by reading the ultrasonics on each side and verifying that the distances have not changed significantly throughout the course of each forward movement.
You want to show the screen?
Yeah.
You can see as it is going, it is currently updating the GUI with the headings and readings that it detects, giving us live feedback as well as sensor data.
And the course correction there is enough that even though it did bump the walls just a tiny bit on its way around in there, it is still able to recover. All right. Meanwhile, the map continues to update, so robot figures out where it is in the world. It is still following that right-hand wall as it makes its way into this next dead end, where it course corrects once again. Hits the wall a little bit, but that's okay. And then runs that 180-degree turn again. Now we'll continue following around this here until it reaches the starting location once again. Goes. Once again, we can take another look at the map. It's just continuing to update that as it goes. And of course, there are some sections on the map where it has not been able to explore, like the outer walls, the walls inside of here, where it is of course not able to get to, and the walls back there as well. And that is reflected on the map here, even as it continues to move around. As you can see, the block by block movement is a little clunky, however, it does manage to get the job done.
We could do that, but there's a possibility that you
right, at this point it has filled in all of the spots on the map. There we are.